Everyone deserves some pampering now and then. Mother's Day is the perfect time to give a gift that is luxurious, smells yummy, and gives mom smooth, soft skin. This chocolate sugar scrub does just that. The combination of white and brown sugars gives this the perfect consistency for a scrub, while the dark, rich color of the brown sugar keeps with the chocolate theme. Coconut oil is well known for its moisturizing superpowers, so adding it to this scrub was a no-brainer. Almond oil has a light texture, is easily absorbed into the skin, and gently removes debris from skin pores. The delicious scents of the oils are a bonus. You could hardly blame mom for giving this a little taste test before lathering it on.